Hey guys, how's it going? I'm in Dubai now, very excited. This is the view from my hotel room. I'm staying at the H Hotel in the Dubai Financial District. I'm gonna be here for a couple of days. I'll be going to a friend's wedding at this hotel tonight. Pretty nice view of the city. This is my second time in Dubai. First time was in 2014. Let me give you a quick tour of my room. Daily rate is about 130 US dollars. Very nice and spacious. Let me turn on the lights. Working area. Hey guys. Pretty nice and spacious bathroom. I'm gonna get some rest now and get ready for the wedding. See you guys later.